You're not alone. Let's be honest, we've all felt that overwhelming tiredness that seems to linger. You're not alone. Fatigue is a common complaint, especially among women. While there are many reasons why you might feel tired, one culprit could be lurking silently in your blood: iron deficiency. Iron isn't just a mineral you find in cast iron skillets, it's a vital component of our red blood cells. These cells, shaped like tiny discs, are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout your body, like little delivery trucks. When your iron levels dip, your body struggles to produce enough healthy red blood cells. Without enough of these oxygen shuttles, your organs and tissues don't get the energy they need, leaving you feeling drained and out of sorts. Think of iron as the key ingredient in a healthy energy drink for your body. But instead of caffeine and sugar, iron helps your body produce hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a special protein found in red blood cells. Imagine it like tiny magnets that attract oxygen as the blood flows through your lungs. These oxygen-loaded red blood cells then travel throughout your body, delivering this essential fuel to your muscles, brain, and every other cell. Without enough iron, this delivery system falters, leading to that all-too-familiar fatigue. While anyone can experience iron deficiency, women are often at a higher risk. This is primarily due to menstruation. Every month, women lose blood, and with it, precious iron. But it's not just periods. Other factors can contribute to low iron levels in women. Pregnancy, breastfeeding, and even heavy training for athletic events can increase iron demands. Additionally, diets low in iron-rich foods, such as red meat, leafy greens, and beans, can exacerbate the problem. Fatigue is a major red flag, but it's not the only sign of iron deficiency. Pay attention to your body. It often whispers before it shouts. Feeling constantly out of breath, even after light activity, could be your body signaling low iron levels. Other common symptoms include pale skin, brittle nails, headaches, dizziness, and feeling cold all the time. Interestingly, some people with iron deficiency crave and chew on ice. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's essential to take action. If you suspect your iron levels are low, don't panic. The first step is to talk to your doctor. A simple blood test can quickly determine if you have iron deficiency. If you are diagnosed with iron deficiency, your doctor will recommend the best course of action. This often involves incorporating more iron-rich foods into your diet. Red meat, fish, beans, lentils, spinach, and tofu or chickpeas are all excellent sources of iron. To boost iron absorption, try pairing these foods with vitamin C-rich options, like a squeeze of lemon juice or a side of bell peppers. In some cases, your doctor may recommend iron supplements, but it's crucial to consult with them before starting any supplements. Remember, iron deficiency is common and treatable. By understanding the role of iron in your body and recognizing the signs, you can take proactive steps towards reclaiming your energy and feeling your best.